lose control.
What's going on YouTube? This is Tim from Tim Stereo Systems. I got me a 2024 Road Glide sitting here. So we designed a fog light harness that will plug right into the bike with no modifications. You simply plug it in. This is the harness here. And to hook it up, all you need to do is you rest on the kickstand, go from the right side, and I'm just gonna scurry under the bike here. Never mind the wiggly camera. And right under the front here, you're gonna see right here, and that is with a blank plug. So all you gotta do is just pull it off of there. It's held on by a plastic clip, and it'll push back in. Pull the clip down, pop the blank off, and then with the harness, like we showed at the beginning, you just click it in place. And run one wire one way and one the other way. And they are capped off so you can run any fog lights you want. Once you have the fog lights on, you go to the infotainment screen. Go to System, Bike Function Setup. On this warning screen, you just select, and then you got your fog lights on and off right here. After we turn the system on, we have to go to the main switch inside the bike, which is located here. And then you simply switch on your fog lights from this panel here. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can shoot me a message on Facebook or through email. I'll post the info at the end of this video. Reach out to me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll see you in the next video.
Lose control.